Have you ever wondered why losing weight seems like a never-ending battle, and maintaining it an even bigger challenge? Many of us have been there, spending countless hours in the gym or adhering to strict diets, only to find those stubborn pounds creeping back. It's a frustrating cycle that feels like a constant uphill battle. But what's the real struggle? It's not just about the pounds on the scale, it's about finding a sustainable lifestyle that balances healthy eating, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. It's about making choices that work for you, not against you. The truth is, weight loss isn't a one-size-fits-all journey. It's a personal path that requires commitment, patience, and a comprehensive approach. It's about understanding that what you put into your body, how you move it, and how you rest it, all play integral roles in your journey to a healthier you. But what if we told you that there's a step-by-step process to make this journey easier? Start your day right. Waking up early sets the tone for your weight loss journey. A good day begins with a good morning. And for those embarking on a weight loss journey, it's your first opportunity to make choices that nurture your body and mind. Waking up early gives you precious extra time to prepare for the day ahead. It's a chance to align your physical and mental readiness to embrace the journey you've chosen. And hydration is key. Your body has been resting and rejuvenating overnight, so give it a kickstart with a glass or two of water. It helps to jumpstart your metabolism, preparing your body to burn calories efficiently. Complement this with a piece of fruit, perhaps an apple. It's not just about curbing the morning hunger pangs. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins and fiber, and they offer a natural sugar boost to energize you. Remember, the first step towards a healthier you starts the moment you wake up. Now that you're up and refreshed, it's time to get moving. Begin your day by fueling your body with water and a piece of fresh fruit, such as an apple. This simple combo hydrates you and provides a quick energy boost. But don't stop there. It's time to get your heart rate up. Engaging in light exercise like a brisk walk or a bike ride for about 20 to 30 minutes is a fantastic way to kickstart your metabolism. This doesn't have to be a grueling marathon run. Remember, the goal here is to simply get your body moving and your blood flowing. Keeping a journal can be a powerful tool in your weight loss journey. It's not just about writing down what you eat, but also about noting your exercise routines, your feelings, and your progress. It can be a motivating reminder of how far you've come and a helpful guide to where you need to go. Once you've got your heart pumping and your body warmed up, it's time to refuel. A well-rounded breakfast drink can be a quick and easy way to get the nutrients your body needs. Look for a drink that's packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Just remember, it's not about replacing a meal with a drink, but complementing your healthy eating habits. This drink can give you the energy you need to power through your morning, keeping you full and satisfied until it's time for your next meal. There's something empowering about starting your day right. It sets the tone for the rest of the day, and it gives you a sense of control and accomplishment. It's about taking the time to care for your body, to nourish it properly, and to keep it moving. And now, you're ready to take on the day, fueled by a nutrient-packed breakfast drink. It's time to seize the day, knowing you've already taken steps towards a healthier, fitter you. But what about the rest of the day? How do you keep your energy levels high without overeating? It's a question that many of us ask ourselves, and the answer lies in understanding that every meal and snack is an opportunity to nourish and fuel our bodies. Let's talk about lunch, for example. This midday meal is crucial for maintaining your energy and focus for the rest of the day. And protein is the key. A protein-packed lunch will not only keep you feeling full, but it also helps repair and build muscle, especially if you're incorporating exercise into your daily routine. Think about grilled chicken salads, lentil soups, or even a protein bar with at least 20 grams of protein. Pair these with a piece of fruit like an apple, a banana, or some grapes, and you've got yourself a lunch that's both healthy and satisfying. But let's not forget about snacks. It's easy to reach for a bag of chips or a chocolate bar when that afternoon slump hits, but these quick fixes often lead to a crash later on. Instead, opt for a piece of fruit or a small amount of granola snacks. These healthy alternatives will provide you with a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled and focused. And of course, hydration is key. Drinking water throughout the day is essential for maintaining energy levels and aiding digestion. It also helps to keep you feeling full, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. And here's a little tip. Try to take a 10-minute walk after lunch. This not only aids in digestion, but also helps to boost your energy levels for the rest of the afternoon. So how do you keep your energy levels high without overeating? The answer is simple. It's about making smart choices that provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Remember, it's not about starving, it's about fueling your body right. After all, the journey to weight loss is not a sprint, but a marathon. And just like any marathon, it requires the right kind of fuel to keep you going. Stay tuned for our next scene where we'll discuss how to end your day right. As the day winds down, it's important to keep your weight loss goals in mind. The choices you make in the evening can either make or break your progress. So how do you end your day right? It's all about balance and consistency. Firstly, let's talk about exercise. While morning workouts are a great way to kickstart your metabolism, an evening exercise session can help burn off the calories you've consumed during the day. It doesn't have to be anything strenuous. A 30-minute session on a stationary bike or a treadmill can do wonders. It's not about the intensity, it's about the consistency. Doing this daily will not only contribute to your weight loss, but also help you sleep better. Now let's move on to dinner. This is your last meal of the day, so it's crucial to make it count. A sensible dinner means a meal that's light but satisfying. It needs to fill you up without overloading you with calories. A good example is a can of tuna paired with a small salad. Tuna is a fantastic source of lean protein, and the salad adds a satisfying crunch, as well as necessary fiber and vitamins. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and nutritious. Drinking plenty of water is also crucial. It aids digestion, keeps you hydrated, and can even help curb those late-night snack cravings. So keep that water bottle close even as you wind down for the day. Most importantly, remember to listen to your body. If you're hungry, eat. If you're tired, rest. Weight loss isn't about depriving yourself, it's about creating a healthier lifestyle that you can maintain in the long run. And that's how you turn a regular day into a successful weight loss journey. It's not just about the numbers on the scale, but the small daily victories that add up to a healthier, happier you. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. So here's to ending your day right and starting the next one even better. Your weight loss journey doesn't end here. It's a daily commitment. It's about making choices that support your health and well-being every single day. But you're not alone in this journey. Our channel is here to support you, providing you with tips, inspiration, and motivation to keep going even on the days when it feels tough. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join our community of individuals, all on their own unique paths to wellness. You'll find a wealth of resources at your fingertips, from workout ideas to meal planning tips and everything in between. And don't forget to visit our website where you'll find even more tools and resources to help you stay on track. Because we believe that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to maintaining your hard-earned weight loss. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, every step counts in the pursuit of a healthier you.